Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new video. In this video, I will teach you about the 5 best free WordPress Slider plugins. Are you eager to give your WordPress website a fresh and engaging look? Today, I've got you covered as we explore the top 5 free WordPress Slider plugins that will transform your site's visual appeal. First on our list is Meta Slider. This versatile plugin allows you to effortlessly create dynamic image sliders, making your website instantly more eye-catching. With its intuitive interface, you'll have stunning sliders up and running in no time. Next, we have Smart Slider Tree. This plugin offers a wide array of customization options, enabling you to craft sliders that perfectly match your website style and content. It's an excellent choice for those who value flexibility and creativity. Moving on, we come to Slider by Soliloquy. If you're keen on showcasing both images and videos on your website, this plugin has got you covered. It's an ideal choice for photographers, businesses, and creatives looking to present their portfolio or products effectively. Now, let's talk about Master Slider. What sets this plugin apart is its exceptional responsiveness. Your sliders will look fantastic on any device, ensuring a seamless user experience for all your visitors. Last but not the least, we have Crowley Slider. This feature-rich plugin offers not only customization but also captivating animation effects. These effects will grab your visitors' attention and keep them engaged, making your website truly stand out. And that's it. You now know how to supercharge your WordPress website with these fantastic free slider plugins. They're simple to use, packed with features, and will undoubtedly elevate your site's visual appeal. Incorporating these plugins into your WordPress website is a game changer. Your site will not only look more appealing but also be more user-friendly. So go ahead, give it a try, and watch your website come to life. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching 5 best free WordPress Slider plugins. See you on my next video.